In this CS320 tutorial, I'll show you how to set electronic limits using the LCD programming tool. This method is applicable to new or factory reset control panels. I'll start by connecting mains power. When powered for the first time, the CS320 performs initial checks to determine the type of limit switch and if any safety devices are connected. When English is displayed, press P to confirm the language. If a different language is displayed, use the plus button to find English, then confirm by pressing P. Input is displayed when the checks are complete. To set the door limits, hold P for about 2 seconds. Adjustment standby is displayed. If the door is already in use and you would like to relearn the limit positions, you can hold P to enter adjustment mode. Alternatively, if the CS320 has been powered up previously but limits have not been set, it will automatically enter adjustment mode on power up. When setting limits, you must first ensure the door travels to the open position when the plus button is pressed. Ensure the door is in a mid position. If necessary, use the manual override to ensure the door is clear of either end position. Briefly press the plus button to check the door travels towards the open position. In this case, the door travelled towards the closed position. You must now change the motor phase rotation. To do this, hold the plus and minus buttons together for 5 seconds until ROT field is displayed. Now the door opens when the plus button is pressed. Press and hold plus to move to the open position. Release the button to stop the door. Adjust the position with plus or minus as necessary. To save the open limit position, press and release P and plus. Storage up is displayed. Now move the door to the closed position using the minus button. To save the closed limit position, press and release P and minus. Storage down is displayed. After setting both open and close limit positions, diagnosis is displayed. Now hold P for 2 seconds, then release. Further checks are performed, then teach in run is displayed. The door can now be operated from external commands. Teach in run is the automatic learning of the motor running time. To learn the running time, give the CS320 an open command. The running time is now learned. When the door is operated without a safety edge, error SKS close is displayed and only dead man closing is possible. This message will not affect the operation of the door. When a safety edge is connected, the LCD programmer displays automatic standby in normal operation. Further information about our products can be found at marantec.co.uk or by following the link in the description.